Module 4.4, Noun Class 3 and 4. We're now going to be looking at classes 3 and 4, and as usual, class 3 will be our singular and class 4 will be our plural. This group is exclusively non-human and includes animals, body parts, clothing, and nature. You might remember that we saw the noun prefix in class 1 and 2, or class 1 specifically, and those were all human nouns starting with For example, the word for person or children or friends or mothers or sisters or etc. If you come across a noun that starts with and is not human, you can be sure it will belong to class 3. Whenever you want to classify a noun into its particular class, noun class, you have to look at the noun prefix. It will always tell you where you're at. So our noun prefix for class 3 is and as I've mentioned, these will be the non-human nouns that belongs to class 3. And the plural of in these cases is our class 4 nouns. The noun prefix is always imi. So if we look at a few examples here before us, umlenze means leg, and the plural of that will be imilenze. Umoya, wind, the plural of that, imimoya. Umvundla, rabbit, and the plural of that, imivundla. Now, as I've mentioned before, it's always good to learn the nouns in both classes. So if you learn a singular noun, always find out what the plural is and learn it as a pair. This will help you get very familiar with the classes and help you to also recognize the plural more easily. Now let us look at the verb links, or the so-called subject concord linked to these two particular classes. So if we first look at class 3, the verb link, or the subject concord that's going to link our verb to our noun, is u. So if we want to say the wind blows, then that u refers to noun class 3, which is umoya. So umoya uyavutuza. If we look at an example from class 4, in class 4 our subject concord is I. So imivundla means rabbits, it's your plural of your class 3. Again, the rabbits are listening, our verb there is mamela. Imivundla iya mamela, and that I is referring to the imivundla. You will still notice that the subject concord always relates to the noun prefix, and then just by getting used to what the language sounds like, it is possible to often figure out what to put in front of your verb.